Yo, what is up, guys? We are back. I'm with Brennan and T, and then we're actually gonna be changing his steering wheel. So we're about to get into how to do that and start it off and stuff with some instruction from T. All right, T, how do you start this off?
Take this bitch off from the very bottom.
Okay.
Pretty much just, give it a little loving. And there's this little plastic part.
Little covers that cover up the screws.
There's that one on the opposite side.
So there's six, one on each side.
Yeah. Thank you for my assistant, Brandon.
Yep.
Okay. Then there's this little star screw right there.
Okay.
Then there's this wire and another wire up in there. But I gotta unhook the battery first.
Alrighty, yeah, guys, do not forget to unhook the battery first.
Yeah, or you experience a little bit of a boom to your face by your airbag.
Yeah, because if you mess with your airbag, it could deploy and it wouldn't feel good.
Okay.
Alright, so T, what did you do with the
Wait,
steering
I'm
wheel?
in the airbag. Okay.
Alright, so make sure your battery's disconnected before you take your airbag out.
Yeah.
Just run a surprise to the face.
I mean, unless you're into that kinky shit.
And
But
just disconnected, just pretty simple, like 2 wires you disconnect.
and then there's this one that you actually pull just back, and then it releases. Then bam. That's all you gotta do.
Just
See?
gotta unbolt some screws for the steering wheel. Here we go, put this one on.
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
Then for the TLs, this nut is only a 14. They're normally 17s, but luckily it's only 14 for us, son. And make for sure your steering wheel's straight, or you won't have a good time. You ready?
Alright.
Get it, see?
And I'll go. And then don't loosen up all the way, because now you got to be
Sometimes
a little
it gets
aggressive.
stuck, so.
Yeah. Damn.
Dang, my watch.
The eyes. Jesus. Good deal.
That was the flip flop. Okay.
It's fucking hot, son.
Got her out, pull her off.
That's not the first pull out I've done. Oh shit.
Boy, is this a race car?
You already know, son. What you mean?
Bro, does this thing stick?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, so we're gonna grab the hub and the quick release real quick. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright.
Alright. There's gonna be 2 more connections under here. You gotta just take off your plastics. They are a bitch, but we got them. Alright. So the quick release should just slide on.
It should. You got the top. Oh, wait, at the top.
I love it, creepy. What the fuck? I think that's straight. Yeah, fuck it. We're just constant. Alright. So.
That's gonna be sticking real far out.
I know.
Your
seat's like leaned all the way back.
Yeah, bro. You gotta dry fly.
Pimping.
Pimping ain't easy.
Just tighten the boy down there. The same 14 that you on screen.
That's not a boy, that's a nut.
What? Girls don't nut. Boys do.
Alright. Hopefully
Oh,
that's...
seems pretty sturdy, dirty. So now we gotta. Where's those screws at?
I gave him to him.
Alright. You gotta bolt the quick release onto the hub.
Yeah, undo the quick release. Jacob, well, oh wait, I need that side. And then pull out the fire. Couldn't
Hey, give me the other half. I'll bolt it in.
pull up.
Did you hear me?
Huh?
Give me the other half of the quick release. I'll bolt it in.
That's true.
The blue part.
Oh,
Alright, so we got the hub on after a bunch of fiddling. Jacob's back here putting the wheel and the quick release together. And we tried to do a little wiring for the horn, but we're not like, exactly sure how it works. So I mean, we're gonna see when we stick it on there. But
because we're just gonna send it.
alright, stick her on there, T.
Alright, round 2.
You gotta,
Huh?
you gotta pull this back.
Oh yeah.
It's on, dude.
It's on.
Yeah, boy.
Bottle's on.
Ooh.
This shit look good, son.
Ooh.
Oh!